I'm gonna show a little cool trick today for making concrete a little bit aesthetically pleasing. So if you're in the market for putting up a concrete pad, just pouring, that's like 10 bags of concrete, just poured it. And if you want some sort of a design like this, it's not that hard. What you need is a little foam like that from Walmart or any other retailer. Goes about 25 to 30 bucks. Nice thick plastic. All you have to do is when the concrete is wet, you just stamp it in there. Technically these foams are made to make paver stones. You actually dump concrete in it when you flip it upside down and you get bunch of pavers. But you can also stamp concrete like these. It's kind of cool, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. Alright, so if you're going to use the foam, you basically put the foam in the right place where you want it, and then you beat it. When the concrete this is too wet, but when it's slightly less wet, it'll be splatter around, but beat it so about 1/4 inch goes into the concrete. Evenly beat all the way around, so you get a nice thick beating. Now here's the big reveal. All you have to do is give it a little wiggle and pull it up. And beautiful pattern. The cool part now is I can keep continuing. The pattern just goes on and on. So we just go to the next round and put it right next to it and do exactly the same thing. Just make sure they overlap properly and your line is maintained, and then do the same. So once you beat it around, pull it up, give it a little wiggle and pull it up, and as you can see, the pattern continues from that to this one. It's such a beautiful nice pattern that we can keep on going. I'm just going to keep on going here and finish this up, and as you can see, it'll just come out really beautiful like that. So there you have it, stamped concrete. Gives a little extra aesthetics to the normal concrete, and you can certainly grout it if you want to pop it even more, or just do some concrete stain on top to make it look like real stones. Once you're done, put your handprint or something memorable so that you can cherish for the rest of the concrete's life. So there you go, beautifully stamped concrete. Doesn't look too bad. Just 25 bucks. You can reuse it as many times as you want. See you in the next video.